What if your commute to the waterfront was a 3-minute walk? This is downtown Kirkland living, and this one bedroom at Kirkland Central is right in the middle of all of it. Inside, the floor-to-ceiling windows pull in natural light all day long, and the space has a genuinely polished feel. Granite counters, cherry cabinetry, LVP floors. Step outside to your private patio, and it's the perfect spot to start the morning or wind the evening down. The building has a fitness center, secured parking, and on-site management. All of this, and you're just minutes from great restaurants, the waterfront, parks, trails, shopping, and everything downtown Kirkland has to offer. If this feels like your kind of place, let's make it happen. I'm Laura Sinclair with eXp Realty. Reach out. I'd love to show you around.